say how they'll sweep through our land, but we have His assurance that through all these trials we'll be led by His mighty hand. Manna from God will come down from above to restore and to nourish our soul. So through all of your trials and all of your fears, remember God has it under control. Under control. The winds obey His under control. When He speaks, the storms cease. Don't be afraid. For the billows may roll. The billows may roll. God's almighty hand. It's still in command. So rejoice in your soul. Rejoice in your soul. For it's under control. It's under control.
How many of you believe that tonight? He's still on the throne. Amen.
That you may be like David of old, and the giant trial you may face. But just when it seems you're standing alone, you'll find Jesus standing there in your place.